It's early in the morning, 5 in the morning. Most people sleep. It's about 38 degrees out here. But guess what? Getting ready for the summer. I know it's January, but I'm thinking about the future. Getting in shape, burning some calories, getting top-notch physical condition for this HVAC journey we on, folks. What up, HVAC people? Yeah, we waking the world up. Let's get it. Most people don't see this part. They see the summer grind, the long days, the hot attics, the rooftop units at 2 p.m. in July. But what they don't see is what gets built in the winter. Right now, it's slow season, shoulder season. This is when most people relax, sleep in, get comfortable, get averaged. But we're not here to be average. In the summer, HVAC don't care how tired you are. The calls keep coming. The heat keeps rising. And your body better be ready. So we don't wait until we're busy to get strong. We build it now. Winter workouts become summer strength. Every rep I'm doing right now, that's one less excuse in July. Every mile, every push-up, every weight, that's future me saying thank you. Most people do what's easy. We do what's necessary. They rest when it's slow, re-prepare. They say, I'll start later. We start now. Because greatness isn't built when it's convenient. It's built when nobody's watching. When nobody's clapping. When nobody even cares. But you care. You care about your body, your career, your future. This isn't just about looking good. This is about lasting longer in the trade, working safer, thinking clearer, and showing up stronger. So while others coast through the winter, we train. Yeah, we train. While others stay average, we go the extra mile. Because summer rewards the prepared, and winter is where preparation begins. Be different. Be disciplined. Be dangerous in the summer. Because you were dedicated in the winter. So depending how hard you want to go, it do not take much. 30 to 45 minutes every day, or at least 5 days a week. 30 to 45 minutes a day. Do 3 sets of whatever exercises you want to work on. Whatever exercise you want to work on. It don't matter. Just do 5 to 6 exercises per workout for about 30 to 45 minutes a day. That's all it takes. 30 to 45 minutes a day. Workout, exercise, cardio, sprint exercises. What's up, boy? I'll stop so he won't run. Yeah, so 30 to 45 minutes a day. That's all it takes. You can do 30 minutes to an hour. Do whatever exercise you want to do. Excuse me, bro. Do whatever exercise you want to do. 3 sets. 8 to 12 reps. 8 to 12 reps, 3 sets. It don't take much, folks. All right. Like about to rain. Beautiful day, even when it's raining. So, cardio. For cardio, I do 3 miles. And it don't matter if it's walking or running, 3 miles. And the trick is, don't do it on the track or don't make a circle. Walk from your house. Like I walk to the gym and I'm walking back home, or I run back home. Sometimes I do intervals, or what they call HIIT. I sprint, walk, sprint, walk. Sprint about a quarter mile, walk a half a mile. But sometimes I just run 1 mile, walk 2 miles. Because cardio is going to be very important. The reason why I'm saying start this in the wintertime or the shoulder season, because when you do cardio, calisthenics, and weightlifting, the strength, when you get busy and can't work out, because in the summertime when it's hot or you just exhausted for running 5 to 10 calls a day, whatever it may be, the strength that it's going to pay off for what you was doing in the wintertime or when it was slow. So you don't have to work out every day in the summertime, but it may drop off to maybe 1 or 2 days a week. For me, this is a great time for meditation. And I think it'll be for you also. This is a great time for reflection. And I also just keep in mind that it's a lifestyle. We're not trying to set goals when we work out. It's just like HVAC. It's a ladder of steps that you have to take. You're not going to learn HVAC overnight. We're not worried about what we weigh. We don't have a target goal of what we want to weigh. We just do it. It becomes a lifestyle. Good morning. So it just becomes a lifestyle. We're not worried about the end goal. If we do something every day, it becomes a habit. And we're going to replace the bad habits with good habits. If we do this every day, we're going to look up a year from now, 2 years from now, 3 years from now, and it's going to be great. We're going to look great. We're going to feel great. But it's a lifestyle. So when you start working out, getting in shape, don't hope to lose 10 pounds in a month. Just do the work. Just put the work in. Hope that helps somebody out there. Get out, walk, run, cardio, calisthenics. And my goal, each workout, is to burn at least 400 to 1,000 calories per workout. And it starts at 1 calorie. And you can just sit around on the couch and burn calories. But you're only gonna burn probably about 10 calories sitting on that couch per hour. So get out and walk today. So I just keep up with my calories with a smartwatch. Good to invest in technology and stuff like that, because it's very important to get good sleep. The smartwatch helps me monitor my sleeping, heart rate, while I'm sleeping, how long I've been in deep sleep, REM sleep, light sleep. Very important to recover, restore. So no excuses. We got to get good sleep and you got to get up. So you might be like, hey man, I got to be at work at 7 in the morning and I'm not going to have time to work out. You got to get up early. No excuses. Get up early. You might have to get up at 4 o'clock in the morning. So you can start working out by 4:25. Work out for an hour. 30 minutes is all it takes. Just 30 minutes. You can wake up at 4:30 or 5 o'clock. No excuses though. And if you're in HVAC, to me, start working out in the mornings. Because you don't know what your day is going to hold. As far as we work a lot of overtime. We work a lot of on-call. So if you miss your workout in the morning, for whatever reason, you can still work out in the evening. But if you plan your workouts in the evening because you slept, and then when you went straight to work, then when you get off of work, you plan on going to the gym, but you got that overtime call or you're on call, and if you can't make it that evening, you done miss your workout for the whole day. So plan your workouts in the morning. Get it over with. So at least you got that over with. And a good secret, maybe 30 days or 60 days when you get in, it may start from day one. But I find myself with more energy. You'll think you'll be tired. Working out, going to work, you'll think you'll be tired, but you really get more energy. All right, I just made it back home for to give me a little shot of espresso. Hey, but remember that tip. When you're doing cardio, walk away from your house because you got to come back. So don't do no treadmill or go to the gym to walk laps. Walk away from your house. Of course, unless it's inclement weather, you got to get it in. Then you can do a treadmill or walk inside. But walk away from your home 3, 4, 5 miles because you got to get back home. All right, HVAC people.